Okay? Pause for a second. We officially live in a world where your cat's litter box has face recognition. Yes, Face ID for your cat. The new Litter Robot 5 Pro doesn't just scoop. It knows when your cat pees, when it poops, and which cat did it. This thing is basically the Tesla of litter boxes, minus the self-driving part. If you're a cat parent who's ever wondered, who left that mystery pile in the box? Well, buckle up, because the Litter Robot 5 Pro has entered the chat, and it might just know more about your cat than you do. So here's the deal. Litter Robot has been doing the whole never scoop again thing for years. But this new Pro version, it's gone full-on AI detective mode. The moment your cat steps inside, it doesn't just sense weight. It literally identifies which cat it is using AI-powered cameras. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like a nightclub bouncer for cats. Excuse me, Whiskers, you're cleared to enter. Once your cat finishes doing its royal business, the built-in WasteID system kicks in. It can actually tell whether your cat just went number 1 or number 2, and then decides how long to wait before cleaning it. If it's pee, it gives the clumps a little time to form. If it's poop, it jumps into action fast, cycling the globe to trap those odors before they have a chance to escape. That's targeted odor control, literally. Now, let's talk about what's going on inside this futuristic poop machine. It's got dual AI cameras, one on the front and one inside the globe, giving you a real-time view of what's happening in your cat's world. You can even open the Whisker app and watch your cat using it live. It's like Big Brother Feline Edition. And before you worry, no, it's not spying on you. The AI is trained to detect pets, not people. Unless, of course, you stick your head in there, which please don't. The display? Bright, full-color LCD. No weird flashing lights or app confusion. Just clear, human-friendly updates like Cycle Complete or Drawer Full. It's surprisingly classy for something that holds cat poop. And speaking of the drawer, if you've got one cat, you can go up to 10 days before emptying it. That's over a week of not having to scoop, smell, or even think about litter. Now, if you've got a skittish kitty, don't worry. Litter Robot thought of that too. The new Quiet Sift system keeps the rotation almost whisper silent, so your cat won't bolt across the house mid-cycle. The timing can even be customized. Because let's be honest, some cats need a little post-bathroom reflection time. And for multi-cat homes, this thing can track up to 5 different cats, recognizing each one's habits, frequency, and health patterns. So if one cat's going less often or too often, you'll actually know. That's not just convenience. That's early warning for your cat's health. Now, the internet has thoughts. Some people are losing their minds over the $900 price tag. Others are saying, Face ID for cats? That's ridiculous. But honestly, for cat parents who want the cleanest, smartest litter experience possible, this thing is pure genius. Sure, it doesn't have a built-in litter hopper or bag sealer yet, but that's what upgrades are for. For now, it's still the most advanced self-cleaning litter box ever made. And let's be real. If you've ever woken up at 2 a.m. to the smell of something unholy wafting from your cat's box, you'll understand why people are paying for peace of mind and a cleaner nose. So yeah, the Litter Robot 5 Pro doesn't just scoop for you. It learns your cat's habits, distinguishes between number 1 and number 2, and even knows who did it. It's weirdly futuristic and kind of amazing. If your cat had a LinkedIn, this would be listed under AI-verified waste management. What do you think? Genius invention or overpriced robot babysitter? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want to see more wild pet tech like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're just scratching the surface of the future of cat care.